Bean counters, questions, and answers. The bookkeeping system that has built-in checks and balances is called double entry system. Both answers are correct. Single entry system. Neither answer is correct. The concept that requires revenue to be recognized when earned is called the monetary measurement concept, materiality concept, revenue realization concept, matching concept. Which of the following is not considered a subcategory of owner's equity? Assets, revenue, draws, expense. The most liquid asset a business possesses is inventory notes, receivable accounts, receivable cash. An invoice owed by a customer is recorded in what account? Accounts receivable notes, receivable, cash accounts payable. The bookkeeping and accounting process starts with analyzing the transaction, recording the transaction, summarizing the transaction, reporting the results of the transaction. The financial position of a business on a given date is reported on balance sheet, statement of changes in owner's equity, income, statement of cash flows. Which of these assets is a fixed asset? Land vehicles. All of these answers are correct. Machinery and equipment. What is another name for the balance sheet? Statement of revenues and expenses, statement of assets and equity, statement of cash position, statement of financial position. To determine gross margin, what is subtracted from net sales? Operating expenses, cost of goods sold, inventory, sales returns, allowances. Hope you did better than our cartoon buddy.